think the Ultimaker Factor 4 can be interesting for customers in the prosthetics wear industry to print, for example, flexible applications with our Ultrafuse materials at an industrial level.
I was impressed with the quality of the printer parts, the strength of the part, and also I was impressed with the reliability of the printer.
With the Factor 4 combined to our PEC-A, we get to a success rate above 95%. We can imagine a lot of our materials working on this station. So we will continue developing with the Ultimaker's engineers to include our materials.
The enclosed build volume that the Factor 4 has with tightly controlled build volume temperature is really helpful to get better mechanical properties for the printed part, such as higher strength and also form stability after the part has been printed.
In my opinion, with the Factor 4 in combination with the labels materials, now we can really achieve applications that require a higher spec in terms of dimensional accuracy and overall reliability, so that are more consistent and that are one the same as the next one. I think this is really the big advantage of using the combination.
So the 2.85mm filament paired with the direct drive and closed loop system means that you get very precise control over the extrusion, which we haven't seen before. It's a very serious printer for companies that want to prototype. I think with the new feedback loop system that you get with the analysis of the data is going to be very key for companies who want to take parts not just into prototyping but maybe into end-use consumer products.